Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method in the TikTok of your TikTok account. Here we go. Based on TikTok Business Help Center, this is the official website. How you can add or update a payment method. So here, to pay for advertise in TikTok Ads Manager and the Business Center, you must add a valid payment method such as debit card, credit card, and so on. So here you have to find supported payment methods before you begin. To verify you have valid payment method, of course. And how you can add, you can go to TikTok's Ad Manager. Now you can log in. After you log in, you can access a tool tab. Under the settings, select finance. Then on the payment page, click three dots on the existing payment method to remove or update it, or to add a new payment method, click plus add payment method, this one. Click the payment method you prefer to add, such as credit or debit card, then click submit. For the Business Center, you can click Finance. This is the TikTok Business Center. This is TikTok Ads Manager. So here from the Business Center, you can click Finance in the left-hand menu. Then click Payment. Then click Payment Management. This one. Then you can find the add account to which you want to add a payment method. Then click Manage Payment Method. Click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner of the existing payment method and click remove or click add a payment method. Add your payment information, then submit. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.